sweet. You have no sense of romance.
Whatever. If anyone needs me, I'll be in my wheel.
Wait, you can talk? We fixed it with our superhuman strength and speed.
And glue.
And glue. We'll see you at home.
Keep the change, ma'am.
I just took out Hamster's artillery.
You have no honor.
If a train carrying my brother and a lightning-powered cowboy supervillain is traveling 60 miles per hour...
Why is there always a train?
Math! Next time the city's in trouble, I'll handle it by myself. Alone.
Ahem.
With Hamster.
Yeah, good. Good idea.
Sibling rivalry is the only competition no one can win. Oh, it's just my fortune cookie. Probably doesn't apply to you guys.
How about some tunes?
I get to pick.
I'm the one driving.
What if I pick up the van? Do I get to pick then?
Kids are a lot. Oh, it's just my fortune cookie. Probably doesn't apply to you guys.
This cage used to belong to our class mouse, Skippy.
What happened to the mouse?
It's not important.
Van Dyke, mind-controlling facial hair.
Whoa.
Whoa.
How are you beating me?
And I don't even have opposable thumbs.
Don't eat the fish sticks.
Rudolph.
I keep forgetting that he can talk.
Hamster, you need to scream a secret into the cup.
I'm a hamster. I don't have any secrets. You need to do it.
Me?
Yes, Kevin. Quickly. I'm fading.
Sometimes I smell my socks after taking them off, and if they don't smell like soup, I wear them again. Hamster?
Okay, I'm better.
It worked?
No, I was just messing with you. The water did the trick. Let's go.
No soy la hermana gemela de Consuela. Soy su figura de cera.
Oh, I knew it.
Adiós, mi vida. Me estoy derritiendo.
Pobre Consuela.
We interrupt Los Amores de Consuela for this special news bulletin.
Adios, Consuela. True love can wait.
Hamster, you're here! But, Consuela...
She can wait.
Aw, I missed you too. Hamster, we need to get him wet.
Time to give Kitty a bath.
You got this, Hamster?
It depends on how my schedule shakes out. Wheel. I'll move some stuff around. Pick a card.
You can talk?
Die mad, you furry little freak.
Yeah. I'm rubber. You're glue. Word.
I can't wait to be a teenager.
Well, that's not happening. We're a cartoon.
What?
Nothing.
The school dance!
A dance battle.
And Kevin is killing it!
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, at least this buys us a minute.
I didn't see a TV in there.
We gotta investigate. What do we do with the eel?
I'll take care of it.
Great, I'll put the coils back.
Hello.
We've been trying to reach you regarding your car.
No.
So where did you take the eel?
Eel Farm, upstate.
Oh, that's nice. Bet you're a little jealous since you're, a miraculous, super-powered talking hamster while Churro's getting all of this attention just for being, dumb.
Actually, I'm okay with it.
Oh yeah, me too.
Uh-oh.
What-oh?
We'll be okay, Lil G.
Lil G.
I'm still processing K-Man. Pull over the vehicle, ma'am.
What the? You can't stop me! Wait, why have I stopped?
Your fan belt needs replacing, and I guess your whole engine now. The willow survives by bending with the wind.
What does that even mean? The mysterious party pooper.
Remind me if I'm ever a villain never to use pooper in my name. I don't appreciate feeling small.
Gretel, just play it cool and not draw attention to ourselves until Romy.
Yeah, your definition of cool and mine might be different. I'm bored, and I run in a wheel.
Hiromi came by. I think I played it pretty chill.
Okay, but what's the clown up to?
He's not in here.
Keep looking. And Hamster, why did you run? She's not gonna make you do chores.
I got caught up in the moment.
Because I'm reading this one about...
You're making this weird. Hey! I never took you for a countertenor.
Knock it off, Hamster!
Stay here, kid.
Kid, I'm 16! By comparison, you're only a year and a half. I'm helping you.
I'm not sure how. You have no powers to protect yourself, so it's really more work for me. Rabbits are lagomorphs, not rodents.
Really?
So, good bro day?
Good bro day.
Amateur move.
Wait a second. I think I understand what he's saying.
You speak Otter.
Otterese is linguistically similar to hamsterish. They both derive from walrus. I think he said, I want my mommy. Or there will be blood. I know where to take him. Hey, big guy. I found some folks who are going to be very happy to see you. Sorry. My bad. I should put him closer to the water. Kind of reckless guy. I didn't know he was gonna run. I was gonna pick him up and drop him. Classic hamster mistake. Aww. Goodbye, boomers. It is my challenge. I must conquer it on my own. Also, the newspaper in my cage needs changing. Hello, Joni.
Hello?
I've been looking for you.
Oh, gee, I've sold a lot of hamsters. I'm sorry. I don't remember you.
You used to vacuum right next to my cage. It frightened me.
I am so sorry.
Okay, I'm good.
Now it's time for your worst nightmare.
A hamster? I'm not afraid of hamsters.
Well, you should be. Yes, little Alfonso got his wish. But most importantly, Gretel learned that there's no problem that knocking a guy into a bunch of harps can't solve.
Wait, where did you get those clothes?
My costume change? That's what stretches your disbelief?
Meh, fair enough.
Got any floors?
Go fish.
Hey!
Got any sixes?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner!
Hey, what'd I miss?
What are you doing?
Eating my feelings. Without her, I'm just hamster and nothing.
I guess I'm nothing.
Not everything is about you, dude.
Maybe one of your superpowers can help us figure out what this means?
I'm a talking hamster. Is that not enough for you? Where? Fist puncher.
Your hamster can talk?
Okay, suit up, armor suit guy.
Really?
Not so fast, buddy.
It's a big see-through door. You've been doored.
Why are you guys doing this? Why would you use the powers that you got that not everybody gets, I might add? Why would you use them for evil?
Because they told us to. Duh.
Wait, who told you?
The aliens.
What?
What?
BT Dubs, just give up. That door is unbreakable. Come on, hamster! Alien door punch!
Fight sequence! How about a combo?
Go fish.
Seriously, hamster, do you have to chew so loud?
Again, talking hamster, cut me some slack. That oversized pie tin that flew away in the wind.
I'm not letting you get away again, you flat piece of trash!
Are you asking me? 'Cause I'm down. Kevin was right. The 3 saddest words in the English language. Wait, I can't help but feel like we forgot something.
Someone is in a lot of trouble.
Have my short arms or physics ever stopped us before?
Never! Oh, I'm down.
Try to fly smooth so we don't attract attention.
Yeah, because a smooth flying building is less noticeable.
Do you see any monsters, hamster?
Got my hands full at the moment.
Hamster, I need a better angle. Sloppy Joe punch! Kevin was right.
3 saddest words. I gotta be honest, I did not see that coming. I can handle this, clown. Save your bestie! Of course we'll keep in touch.
Thanks, Hamster. You are a nice friend for a cyborg like me.
Floating Bailey head?
Yep. 101 missed calls. That can't be good. Sorry I missed your call.
Now you're disqualified.
Permanently.
When you've just got out of bed and you've already got the munchies. Taco crunchies, taco crunchies, taco crunchies. When you've just got out of bed and you've already got the munchies. Taco crunchies, taco crunchies, taco crunchies.
Welcome to Winkies! I just pulled these donuts out of the oven. They're vegan. Just kidding. They're full of meat. What can I get you? Beef and sprinkles? Lamb and chocolate? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? And why are you singing about tacos? Hey, get back here, you donut nappers!
Hey, Hamster, did we rob a donut shop last night?
No, but I had a dream about a giant snake. Probably because I'm a hamster.
When you've just got out of bed and you've already got the munchies. Taco crunchies, taco crunchies.
Hey, bring those back! Those aren't yours!
Good work, small minions. You have mastered doing my tedious errands. Tomorrow night, we take it up a notch and make me rich enough to move out of this barren, abandoned warehouse.
When you've just got out of bed and you've already got the munchies.
They're leaving!
Just got out
Let's go!
of bed and you've already got the munchies. Taco crunchies, taco crunchies, taco crunchies.
What are they doing? No way! I can't believe it! They're really robbing a bank?
I guess donuts are the gateway to a life of crime.
What is going on?
Taco crunchies, taco crunchies, taco crunchies.
Put the money in the safe. Tie these 2 people up and bring me my blueberry pancakes.
Gretel, it's us! Snap out of it! Gretel!
Fly those 2 out the window and drop them to their doom when I give the word.
When you just got out of
Gretel, you know how you never listen to me and defiantly ignore everything I tell you to do? Do that with the earworms. Pretend he doesn't exist and that you know way more than he does. Pretend that he's me!
That's just sad.
Drop the teenagers!
When you've
That's
just
it!
got out
It's a big, big world, but there's lots and lots of us. If it was any smaller, we would be superfluous.
Why isn't this thing working? I just put new batteries in.
Why is he wearing an ear suit?
It's a little on the nose.
Oh, good. You're awake. Now you can do the school play.
Hello, Vikings! Line?
Here. I'm here. Hey, Kevin. This is Jerry.
Hi, Jerry.
He can't hear you. He's cardboard. Look out! My name isn't Peanut, Billy. It's Hamster.
That fence must have shocked you something bad. You're talking!
I belong to a girl named Gretel, who I care about very much. And also this guy, Kevin, here. You're a wonderful boy, Billy, and even though I have to go back to my real family now, I'll never forget you. Oh, here's a coupon for half off at my jazz show.
You fool! I don't want your stupid coupon.
I am the imposter.
Gotta admit, I did not see that coming.
And now, I'm unstoppable!
Hamster! You're alive!
Never mind me, go fight him!
Oops! This ball is basically indestructible, right?
Yeah.
I got a plan. You can fly, just lift it up!
Oh, right.
Hamster, we did it! I mean, what's up, dude? Glad you're not dead.
Right back at you.
I missed you so much! Don't you ever do that again!
You mean get amnesia and then be abducted by a grown man disguised as a kid? Okay, I'll avoid that. Neither of you is gonna unzip your skin, are you?
No, we're good.
It's not an ordinary room. It's a trap. I've read this one already.
Kids, time to go. Kevin, remember that after school you have to take Hamster to the vet. You know what they say, don't argue with Mom.
You okay there, buddy?
Yeah, of course. I love the vet. Why would you think I don't love the vet? What does that mean, it won't hurt a bit? When people say it won't hurt a bit, that means it's going to hurt a bit.
People throw buildings at you. How could you be afraid of the vet?
Fear is not rational, Kevin. Like your fear of blueberries.
Food should not be blue! Anyway, you don't look scared.
Humans are so unperceptive. This is my calm face. This is my terrified face. Calm, terrified. Calm, terrified.
Well, the longer we wait, the more stressed out you're gonna get. Where's that doctor? Hamster! All right, where are you?
I'm a hamster, Kevin. We're built for hiding. Too slow, unperceptive human! I can't take it in here. I gotta get out. Are we done yet? I see bats. Do you see bats?
You know, maybe if we talked about your feelings, we could figure out why you're so afraid of the vet.
Nope. I don't need to talk. I'm fine. Nope.
Sunshine.
Mosquito.
Sadness.
Mosquito.
House.
Mosquito.
Very interesting. Why do you think all these things make you think of a mosquito?
Because you have one on your face.
Get it off me! Get it off me!
I'm just kidding. There isn't a mosquito. Hamsters have a natural fear of veterinarians. In the wild, veterinarians are our only natural predators.
Veterinarians are just people who want to help animals.
No, man, they're freaky. That wasn't so bad.
That'll be $200.
Step away from the badly conceived cakes, sir.
Never! I used to like you. Not anymore.
Weird.
She's just being a troll. For views.
Word. How's my hair?
How do you sleep at night?
Well, I don't. I'm nocturnal.
Hamster and I would never do anything like this. We did our best.
Word. Whoa. This is the greatest film in the history of cinema. This is a bit awkward, but I'm a huge fan of your work.
Finally, someone gets me. If only it was a biped.
Still taking you to jail, though.
I had a good one.
Bailey, are you okay?
I'm fine, but boy, you saved yourself from one funky movie. Though it did make me consider the mundanity of the human condition.
Sorry again for all the crazy surprises.
Are you kidding? I've never been to a more exciting movie night. You're a magic boy, Kevin.
I wish I knew how you feel about me.